Let's talk about using Uphold as a tool to hedge against inflation. Now, the first thing to understand is what an inflation hedge even is. Simply put, it's an investment that's expected to either hold its value or increase in value during periods of rising prices. The goal is to protect your purchasing power. Uphold is a unique platform because it allows you to easily buy and sell a wide range of assets, not just crypto. This is where it gets interesting for inflation hedging. Uphold gives you access to things like precious metals, including gold and silver, which have historically been considered a hedge against inflation. The idea is that as the value of currency decreases, tangible assets like gold tend to become more valuable. You can also get into different cryptocurrencies, some of which are seen by their proponents as a hedge due to their decentralized nature and fixed supply. So, can you use Uphold to hedge against inflation? Yes, you can. It provides the instruments you need, but it's not a magic bullet. The key is how you use the platform. Diversification is your best friend. Instead of just holding cash or one type of asset, you can build a portfolio on Uphold that includes a mix of assets that are known to perform well in inflationary environments, whether that's gold, certain crypto, or even some of the other assets they offer. The platform makes it easy to quickly rebalance your portfolio as market conditions change. The bottom line is that Uphold is a tool. A powerful one, with its wide range of assets, but a tool nonetheless. The effectiveness of your inflation hedging strategy depends on your research, your diversification, and your ability to make informed decisions.